fantastical.
Whoa.
Any metal in there? Nope.
Great.
Ain't even that dirty.
So are we doing this for no reason?
Whoa. Your booty's got a hole in it.
A booty hole?
Yeah. So you can see right inside there. I can stick my finger in. You like pina coladas? That one's ripped too. See the joint.
Great.
That's
Disgusting. You better stop that.
Give me that. You're gonna take your oil filter off.
Where's that bad boy?
Right up there.
Will I be able to just twist it out?
Heck yeah, I already got her loose for you.
Alright. Neat. It's gonna fall all over, isn't it?
It might fall on you, yeah.
Ooh. Should I let it drain a little bit or just
Spin her off. Set it right in there. Ta-da!
it ain't?
No, it's alright. Send her. Lube her up, babe.
I don't have a lot to look
Try not to like get dirty with stuff. Like with dirt in it.
Is this fine?
Yeah, that's alright. You'll need some more than that.
I have some on my finger.
Yeah, you do.
Is that needing more?
Should be alright. Make sure the O-rings on that one. Yep, that one came off. Put her back on. Don't get any dirt in it.
I'm not trying to. My hands are slick.
You did it. Snug her up. Don't want her to leak.
Yeah, my hands are buttered up.
Yeah. Get my hands up in
Oh,
there.
man.
Oh yeah, you had her damn near tight.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, drain plug.
Put it in.
Screw it in. Where did my wrench? It's over here. Flip it back.
Is that the right way?
Yep. Easy there.
There's a whole lot of hand.
Good to go. Time to go down and put some oil in it.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit.
Alright. Now before you start dumping, get the spout in the hole. Trust me, you'll make a mess. Yep. Not too fast. Don't fill the valve cover up. You'll have a mess. Gotta find a wag.
Get fucking with it.
We're gonna keep on fighting. Until it gets to your armpit.
No. It didn't go anywhere. Don't even start. Hold it
Making a mess.
Thick.